As award-winning aerial photographers, we offer the creative force and technical expertise to provide our clients with the finest aerial photography and video possible. Whether it is to market real estate, witness a special event, provide on-the-job construction progress, or a dramatic flyover of a corporate campus, we are sure to have the right tools and industry experience to do your job right. In the not-too-distant past, we were limited to using airplanes and helicopters for our work. But by adding an unmanned option to our flight line, we can now specialize in both high and very low-altitude aerial photography and video. Low-altitude UAV photography is the perfect medium to hold an audience's attention and allow them to feel closer to the action than ever before. Our flying, manned and unmanned, is done safely and legally, following all FAA rules and regulations. The sharp, remarkably clear imagery is made possible using high-quality professional equipment. Our experienced flight and ground crew includes the UAV pilot and videographer and the UAV safety observer, working together in a coordinated effort to produce aerial imagery that is not only visually appealing, but performed at the highest level of professionalism. Aerial video has always been a high-dollar option that the television and movie industry has been willing to bear for its eye-catching perspective. Now, however, UAV footage brings broadcast-quality aerial video down to earth, affordable for most businesses within our flying and coverage area. What has cost tens of thousands of dollars for the entertainment industry is now within the financial reach of anyone who can picture it for a fraction of the cost. Consider the possibilities of using UAV aerial photography and video. We have many options to give you the imagery you are looking for. After your shoot, we can also provide you with finished video packages, including editing, music, voiceover, labels, and titles to produce a movie that is uniquely yours. Our company has built its reputation with aerial photography and video with a client list that includes some of the biggest names in local and international business, and we are known for bringing our clients beautiful imagery on time and on budget. We look forward to talking with you.